There is still a wait and see as to when the Jamaica Cricket Association elections will be held, as the audited finances are still not ready for the board of directors. Jerome Foster tells us more.
November 2023 was earmarked as the constitutional date for the Jamaica Cricket Association's voting congress, but that was thwarted by the absence of audited financial statements. The wait was extended to a date in March, but when TVJ Sports caught up with JCA President Wilford Billy Heaven on Wednesday, he indicated that March is still a possibility, but
the date for the election is not yet determined, the exact date. We know it will be towards the end of March, beginning of April. At an executive meeting of all executive members, we discussed that. It is totally contingent on the audited financial statements. I believe we will get a draft before the week is out or early next week, and immediately after that our finance committee will meet to look through the numbers, and then the board will meet to approve, and then 21 clear days notice, and we're back to the AGM.
And Heaven is reassuring the stakeholders that by the start of March, the way will be clear for members to make a decision.
We should, because our senior finance person was engaged otherwise, but he is now available full-time.
Aiming for a fifth term, Heaven has once again hinted that he will be looking to change the mind of his potential challenger and first vice president, Dr. Donovan Bennett.
I haven't spoken to him as yet, but we still have some time. And as best as possible, we see how that will work. But we still continue to believe that we are on the right pathway to the development of cricket, and I hope that we can come together with that admission that we are on the right pathway.
I'm not in there with the board, so I can't say anything much on that. I can just listen and wait to see what's happening. And as like before, I don't know. I still asking Dr. Bennett, Fritz Harris, find a way to let us put this together and make it a better show for the cricket, not personal.
Heaven and Women's Cricket Committee Chairman Deltonia Williams were at a send-off for the Jamaica senior women's team, who are set to depart the island for their regional tournaments in St. Kitts next month. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.